Good day, grade 11s. Today we are going to do a wonderful poem by the name of A Love I Know. I am going to read the poem to you. A love I know. When you smile, my heart wakes like sunlight after rain. Your hand in mine can heal my hidden pain. Our sweet sorrow stays when you must go. Yet in your eyes a quiet storm can grow. I carry your heart with me through every day, like a gentle song that never fades away. Though love can hurt, I still choose to care, or even in silence, I feel you there. So now the meaning behind the poem. So the poem describes a young person who is deeply attached to someone they love. The speaker experiences both happiness and sadness because love can bring comfort, but it can also hurt when the loved one is not nearby. The feelings in this poem are relatable because many young people experience strong friendships, first love, or sadness of missing someone special. And I'm sure you all can relate to that as well. So the theme is love, emotional connection, and the pain of being separated from someone that we care about. The rhyme scheme is AA, BB, CC, and DD, as each line separately connects to the next one. Vocabulary support, word, simple, okay, so the words and then the simple meaning of the words. Hidden, kept out of sight or not easily noticed. Pain is physical or emotional suffering. Sorrow is deep sadness. Quiet, calm or without much sound. Fades, slowly disappears. Silence, having no sound. Care, to feel concern or love for someone, and gentle, soft, calm, or kind. Let's go through each meaning of per line. So line 1 said, when you smile, my heart wakes like sunlight after rain. So the loved one's smile makes the speaker feel happy and hopeful. Line 2, your hand in mine can heal my hidden pain. This means be close to the person, this be comfort when they are hurting emotionally. Line 3, our sweet sorrow stays when you must go. The speaker feels both happiness because of the love and sadness because the person has to leave. Line 4, yet in your eyes a quiet storm can grow. So the person's eyes show that they also have strong, perhaps confusing emotions. Line 5, I carry your heart with me through every day. The speaker means that they always remember and care about the loved one. Line 6, like a gentle song that never fades away, the speaker compares their lasting feelings to a song that remains in their memory. Line 7, though love can hurt, I still choose to care. The speaker understands that love can cause pain, but believes that loving someone is still worthwhile. Line 8, forever, for even in silence, I feel you there. Even when they are apart and there is no communication, the speaker still feels emotionally connected to the person. Now we are going to do a line-by-line analysis to see all the literary devices that's inside of this poem, as well as I would like you to take note. Line 1, rain. Line 2, pain. Do you see why it is AA? Line 3, go. Line 4, grow. BB. Okay, let's get into it. So when you smile, my heart wakes. So by saying my heart wakes, it's personification. You are giving a heart the ability, like a human, to wake up. Like is a simile because they are comparing the heart waking up as to the sunlight waking up after the rain. Okay, line 2. Your hand in mine can heal my hidden pain is also a form of alliteration because it's a repetition of consonant sounds. Line 3, our sweet sorrow stays when you must go. Sweet sorrow is an oxymoron. It's two contradicting words because it's sweet and sorrow. The sweet referring to the love, and the sorrow referring to when the person leaves and you miss them. Then also take note of the sweet sorrow stays, alliteration, repetitive consonants S. Line 4. Yet in your eyes a quiet storm can grow. Contrast between something powerful and something peaceful. So a storm is most never quiet. Normally a storm is very wild. So by saying a quiet storm, it causes contrast. Quiet is most obviously they're not peaceful. So as we saw in the previous slide, it was a rhyme scheme AABB. Now line 5 and line 6 ends with day and away. So this is now creating a rhyme scheme of C and C. Line 7 and 8 ends with care and there, which creates D and D. Let's get into the analysis of the thought of the poem. I carry your heart with me through every day. So this is a synecdoche. A part of something represents a whole, or whole represents a part. This heart refers to love and emotion, not a real heart. Line 6, like, again, it's a simile. It's something that is compared. It shows the speaker's love remains in their memory, like a gentle song that never fades away. So the gentle song is creating auditory imagery for us. It's almost like a soft, loving love song in the background constantly that never fades away. So it's permanently there. Line 7, though love can hurt, I still choose to care. For even in silence, I feel you there. So for even in silence is a paradox. Feeling of presence in silence highlights a connection that transcends spoken words or physical proximity.